Waste to Wealth Walk. Lots of tourists and students and RWAs and eco clubs, they all come for our Waste to Wealth Walk. We show them how the segregation, washing, transformation of the material, making of the products is done. So I think initiatives like this will gradually spread. So we were surprised by the how many people are coming to see Waste to Wealth project of ours, the walk.
Yes, right.
Yeah, one last word. Dr. Shiva, where do you buy your shirt? One last.
Sorry to disturb you, but we have, like even.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Harold Dietmann from Deistar, based in Germany. And it is so, how can the consumer take care of what he is buying, what he is wearing finally? Normally, from my experience, something was mentioned here. In example, the organic cotton, something like this. This would be a good possibility to check for this, in example. But also some eco-labels. In example, in Europe, very common and very helpful is, in example, the Ökotex label. They take care about everything. That means, especially for children wears, for some special need and use. And that's, I think, is the possibility what the customer can do it.
So there are certain labels. I think actually Ökotex is not enough because that's not about organic cotton, but it's a start to find things actually how it is dyed, that it's not harmful. Dr. Shiva, your shirts are bought where? When you know how it is dyed actually. Short, please.
It cannot be very short because when you know more, it's a problem. No, in my opinion, as rightly said, the education institution, you can make a change because we can't reach to the consumer as fast as possible unless you are involved. I think the training, the awareness, we need to create the activists, about 100,000 activists a day, just by reaching to all these education institutes, play a small role, create your own awareness, and maybe one person you tell, we will be in a better position and a better place probably. And this is something which is going to come because all the NGOs across the globe now are working tirelessly on this project of making textiles non-toxic. It's not possible to be non-toxic. It will be less toxic and more sustainable.
So like a wise man said, like if you want to change the world, be the change and change yourself more. It's hard to do. Ask when you buy stuff where it is coming from, write emails to the companies, ask them, penetrate them, like really be after them and work for a better tomorrow then.
For example, Indian consumer has never went back to their stores saying that I have a complaint. We are used to actually, when we buy a new kurti, we will wash it in a separate bucket. We will never put it in a all put together because we know that there will be color bleeding. So we took it granted. So that is the we have been making it mentally prepared that anything happens, it's good for me, no problem. Let's not go back. So, so this consumer, if it would have been any consumer in Europe, we would not dare that production label will be out. So that is where we need to ourselves. We need to make sure that first, what you are paying, get full benefit out of it, and start asking. When you ask, that brand will definitely listen to you. So I think you ask more and more, put emails, go to the people, don't be shy, just ask. Probably you will get one day what you are deserving.
That's true, and that's very good to ask. And we also need something to offer, obviously, what to buy, because there needs to be some beauty in it also, some beautiful products that we all love. So that's why I think we are soon heading to the fashion show and we can see something that is produced in a green manner, that is produced under ethical conditions, and is also beautiful. Taste is subjective always, but we can all make our picture and maybe enjoy and go away from all this harm and all these things and enjoy the beauty of a green product. and look positive and optimistic into the future, I think. So I'd like to thank all of you to come and to join, and I hope you enjoyed a little bit. I hope it was not too technical. We could talk like 3 hours more, I guess. There are so many issues. Yeah, hope to see you at the fashion show, and maybe tomorrow we see one or the other at the workshops. And thank you very much for making this possible. Panel participants, dear guests, thank you so much. Bye.